So I'm one of the many tour guides this year, and my house was used for filming. And my house was built in 1882, which is the year that the show, starts in season 1. And I live right on Washington Park, and Washington Park doubles in the show as Central Park, and the church across the street from my house, First Presbyterian, doubles as a church that's being used in filming. When I give the tour, I'm going to be focusing on the history of the park and how both Washington Park and Central Park would have functioned in the 1880s and how it was used during the filming of the show.
So during filming, I had the chance to step back into 1882 here in my own hometown of Albany. Washington Park, for example, was filled with horse-drawn carriages with just small adjustments to costumes, infrastructure, and daily living routines. I felt very immersed in the Victorian era of Albany while I was on set.
Well, so much of where they shot is authentic. And really, you can look up and down any street and you're going to see buildings that were standing at that time and that very much look the way they would have looked in the 1880s and 90s. So in that sense, we've been really lucky because of preservations that have, kept the architectural integrity of the streets intact.